Ito na nga ba ang best clamshell smartphone ngayon? Hey guys, Tito James here and I'm here to talk about my experience with the OPPO Find N2 Flip, particularly kung ano yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya so far. So far kasi first impressions pa lang to, chill lang kayo guys. Pero syempre, pag-usapan muna natin yung basics. First things first, let's talk about pricing and availability. And sad to say, global pricing ang meron tayo which comes to about 63,000 pesos kung converted from euros. Now the good thing is if dadalhin ni OPPO Philippines to dito sa atin, we usually get it slightly cheaper than European pricing. So ayun, madaming qualifiers, hindi pa sure kung dadalhin ni OPPO yung phone na to dito sa Pilipinas, therefore wala pa tayong official pricing. Pero ano nga ba ang ino-offer ng phone na to? Ang processor niya, Dimensity 9000 paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Maganda naman ang experience namin sa mga flagship processor ni MediaTek at smooth naman siya nung nilabas namin ni Lea to for date night. For its battery, ang capacity niya 4300 mAh which is a huge step up from the competition, and this also comes with 44W Super Voop charging. For software, this is running on Android 13 with ColorOS 13, which means you have the pre-installed OPPO apps that you usually see na madali lang tanggalin. With foldable phones like this, given na yung form factor niya ay isa sa mga highlights, and Lea has been using foldable phones before and she really likes how compact these devices are kasi kasyang-kasya siya sa mga pockets niya. Pero yung main highlight para sa phone na to has to be its cover screen. And in this regard, size matters because OPPO has equipped the N2 Flip with the biggest cover screen we've seen so far, measuring in at 3.26 inches. Medyo guessing game kasi sa mga na-try namin na clamshell kung tama ba yung framing namin sa mga pictures at hindi namin naranasan yon sa phone na to. Walang getting to know you face and it was really easy to take selfies using the main camera. Sobrang cute din ng interactive pets, parang may Tamagotchi kayo sa phone niyo. Kung alam nyo kung ano yun, let me know in the comment section down below. At yung behavior niya, nagbabago din depende kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo. Kung nagcha-charge ka ng phone, nagpa-flex yung aso. Kung lowbat ka na, natutulog siya tapos pwede mo siyang kulitin at gisingin hanggang mainis siya sa'yo. It's not a must-have feature pero sobrang cute niya talaga. Now, another highlight for Lea and I with the N2 Flip is its main display. It's a 6.8-inch LTPO display, Full HD Plus yung resolution, and 120Hz yung refresh rate niya. So on paper, covered naman tayo sa mga usual na hinahanap natin. Maganda din yung picture quality sa mga videos na napanood namin, and OPPO claims na sobrang color accurate ng display na to. Pero yung isa sa napansin namin is that hindi masyado visible yung crease niya initially. Now that might change in time the more you use it, pero yung initial na gamit namin, you really needed to look for it. Syempre, hindi matatapos yung video nito without talking about the cameras, and just like the Find N2, OPPO is taking advantage of their partnership with Hasselblad with the N2 Flip. You have a 50-megapixel main camera which you'll probably use most of the time, an 8-megapixel ultrawide, at sa main display, meron din siyang 32-megapixel shooter. Usually, dito natin makikita ang compromises sa clamshell smartphones which OPPO is really hoping to change with the Find N2 Flip. And like I said, nilabas namin ni Lea to habang nag-date kami and we were happy with the results we got so far, pero you want to do a side-by-side comparison with the competition to see kung sino nga ba ang hari or reyna ng segment na to. Let us know what you think of the photos we were able to take in the comment section at abangan nyo rin ang pangmalakasan naming camera sample sa full review dahil dadali ng teammate namin na si Nathan ang phone na to sa Barcelona para sa Mobile World Congress. While you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been Tito James. Peace, God bless, and see you guys next time.